Welcome to our guide on online marketing automation. In this video, we'll explore what marketing automation is and why it's essential for your business success. Let's take a look at the key components of marketing automation tools, including email campaigns, social media integration, and CRM systems. Choosing the right marketing automation software can be overwhelming. Consider your business needs, budget, and scalability. Now, let's dive into setting up your platform with a step-by-step guide to ensure a smooth start. Creating effective automated email campaigns is crucial. We'll discuss best practices to engage your audience. Automation can save time in social media management. Here are some tools and techniques you can use. Learn how automation can help with lead scoring and nurturing to enhance your sales process. Finally, analyzing and optimizing your campaigns is key. We'll go over tracking metrics and KPIs. Be aware of common mistakes when implementing marketing automation. Avoid these to ensure success. In conclusion, the future of online marketing automation is bright. Stay tuned for what's next and take these next steps.